Good morning, students. Today, in the subject of accountancy, we have started the double column cash book. After learning that cash book is one of the subsidiary books which is made to record only the cash transactions, cash receipts and cash payments. So this cash book may be double column cash book with the reference of amount column. There may be three types of double column cash book: discount and cash column, double column cash book; discount and bank column, double column cash book; and cash and bank column, double column cash book. So why do we say the double column cash book? Because in the amount we record, we make two columns for the amounts, either discount or cash, or discount or bank column, or cash and bank column. Now before we understand that what for discount column and cash column, discount and bank column, rather we should understand why cash and bank column, double column cash book. Sorry. See what happens, a business firm also does various cash transactions through its bank account, because all small cash transactions are done in cash itself, but big amount of cash transactions are done through the bank. So for that purpose, to maintain the banking transactions in the cash book, a bank column is maintained. So that bank column on the receipt side as well as on the payment side, to record the banking transactions, means transactions which are done through the bank. Cash column will continue recording the cash transactions, but the bank column will record those transactions, those receipts and those payments which are done through the bank account. So bank column is meant for the transaction done through the bank. Now come and see what is discount column. This discount column, whether with cash or whether with bank, will record the cash discount allowed or received at the time of payment or at the time of receipt of payment. This already you know, trade discount is not recorded in the records, but cash discount is recorded. So this cash column in the double column cash book, whether discount and cash column or whether discount and bank column, will record the cash discount. So at the time of receiving the money, sometimes we allow the discount, so that will be recorded in the discount column, and sometimes at the time of payment we receive the discount, so that receiving the discount will be recorded in the discount column. So just you see, there are two columns, two sides of the cash book. On the receipt side, when we will receive the payment, we will allow the discount. So on the receipt side, this discount column is the discount allowed, and on the payment side, when we will pay, we will receive the discount. So on the payment side, whichever discount column is there, that is meant for discount received. So on the left side, discount allowed; on the right side, discount received column will be there in the double column cash book, whether it is coming with the cash, whether it is coming with the bank. So this was about the double column cash book.